Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer Solana from Coindcx or Coindcx to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, go ahead to the Phantom Wallet, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit receive and select the coin, of course. Let's say, for example, in this case, we're gonna use Solana. So I'm gonna use Solana, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just copy the address or scan the QR or take a screenshot to capture the QR code. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Coindcx, right? Or Coindcx. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit add and select from the market, which is the Bitcoin, Solana, whatever that might be. We're gonna choose Solana, right? And then you're gonna be able to start the steps of adding the address or domain name in the amount of amount of Solana, amount of Solana that you want to take in to this app. So let's run out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.